How to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can open our WhatsApp location in Google Maps app. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in order to see the location in Google Maps, you just need to follow some steps. It is very easy. So before starting, I want you to hit that like, share and subscribe option, and let's begin. So first thing first, open your WhatsApp and click on the chat that you just shared a location in. I have just shared this location with one of my friends. So here, when you tap on location that you just sent, or if somebody sends you a location, so in order to see that location in Google Maps, you just need to tap on the link they provide, and here you will be given with some prompts, some apps. So on the very middle you can see the option called Maps, which is the Google Maps official app. You may just click on the Google Maps official app. If you don't have the app, you may just download it from Google Play Store, and you will be able to see this option in your screen when you try to open the location link in your WhatsApp messages. So just tap on this link. You may just tap on always if you want always the Maps app to be opened whenever you click on the location link on your WhatsApp. So right now I'm just gonna click on just one. You may just once, you may just click on always, and just tapping on just once, it will lead me to the Google Maps, and here I will be able to see the locations that my friend just sent me, or the location that I just sent to my friend. So in this way you can open your WhatsApp location in Google Maps by following the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.